Hey everybody, Scott Carson here, and I want to invite you out to a special one-day training event for my next Note Weekend Cliff Notes version of learning how to buy notes for huge discounts. That's right, you can join me Saturday, November 21st. Yes, that's the Saturday before Gobble Gobble, not after. I know you're going to be comatose from eating too much turkey and watching bowl games if we still got enough. But coming Saturday, November 21st, that's the third Saturday in November, join me from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for a full day of note knowledge. That's right. Yours truly will be teaching you the Cliff Notes version of note investing, how to find, fund, and flip non-performing notes directly from banks and asset managers for huge discounts and make money with one of our 10 different exit strategies in the note business. I've been buying distressed debt for over a decade now and have been so lucky to buy huge deals with huge discounts on residential commercial properties. And there's a variety of different exit strategies that we'll break down on how to make money and how to turn a lot of lemons into some sweet tasted lemonade. That's right, everybody. So Saturday, November 21st, 9 to 5, all day with yours truly. Take a few breaks here and there. It is recorded, so if you've got to step away for a little bit, you can catch the replays. But one of the big things is I'll give over $1,000. That's right, over $1,000 in bonuses for you to sign up. Now, this is a really awesome offer for you guys. It's $49. If you go to noteweekend.com, get signed up there. It's $49. Includes the replays, includes a list of over 1,700 banks, and it tells you exactly what they have as far as percentage in default, how much of the percentage of their portfolios looking bad, how much in residential debt they have in default. And it's just an opportunity for you guys to learn the note business. Kind of a dip your toe in the water, teaser aspect. It's like I said, my students call it the Cliff Notes version, as we go through the basics of how to find, fund, and flip non-performing notes. So you can go to noteweekend.com and get signed up there for as little as $49, or you can be alerted to, and I can shoot you a text message with the direct link. If you're busy driving or watching on your phone, you can text the word notes, N-O-T-E-S, text the word notes, N-O-T-E-S to 474747. That's right, 47 3 times. Text the word notes, and we'll send you a link to the workshop where you can get signed up today. And that's good for you, plus your spouse or partner, friend. If you're a real estate investor wanting to learn how to tap into this huge mortgage meltdown, this is to be the starting point for you to learn. No BS, no smoke blowing up your skirt or shorts or whatever you're wearing for the day. Real content, real actionable items. And as people say, we pack our classes with more content. It's like drinking from a fire hydrant for the day. So it'll help you get those bowels ready and jowls ready to rock and roll for Thanksgiving feast here the Thursday afterwards. So it's Saturday, November 21st, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's Central Standard Time. And we will look forward to seeing you there, guys, and taking action and seeing you all at the top, everybody. Bye.